Hi, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth and honest user testing review, so you are in the right place. In this user testing review, we are gonna run through exactly what is user testing, how does user testing work, how much can you earn, is it legit or is it one of the scam sites to stay away from, pros and cons of user testing. This way you could decide if this website is worth joining. So if you are interested, keep watching, and as always smash that like button, obviously it helps the algorithm. Thank you. Now if you don't know what user testing is, it is a research platform that hires user testers to do various tests and tasks for third-party clients. So how does user testing work? If you are engaged as a tester with UserTesting.com, then you will be presented with tests based on your profile and demographics, etc. The tests will also be having screening to check if you are the right person to give feedback. So you will assist organizations in creating a higher digital journey by way of telling them what you trust would work excellent on their web page or app, what may be better, and you sense so. In addition, you will also earn money when doing so. For example, if there is a test related with online shopping websites, you will have to first go through a screener that will ask you questions like how frequently you shop, what websites do you use for shopping, etc. If your answers match with the requirements for the kind of tester they are looking for, only then you will be allowed to take up the test, else the test will move out of your bucket. Once you qualify for a test or an interview, you share your feedback through a microphone and your shared screen. This means you will need a computer, laptop, tablet, or mobile device to be able to participate, along with an internet connection and microphone if your device doesn't have it already. There is some other type of tests as well, where you need to trigger conversations with the clients about the user experience and what you feel about the website. As brands sometimes look for a very specific group of people, know that you will get disqualified a lot of the time. How much does user testing pay? The number of tests available will vary depending on criteria such as your location, gender, age, etc. The payment for each test varies depending upon the type and duration of the test. Generally, the pay of each test varies between $3 to $60. The average payment is $10 per test. They pay $10 for every 20 minutes video you complete. For this, you need to visit a website or an application, follow instructions and finish a set of tasks using your computer or mobile phone, and then give loud feedback about the user experience. Their only method of payment is PayPal, so be sure to have an account, which can be created for free. User testing is very prompt with payments as they will send your money 7 days after you have successfully completed the test. Now, you may be wondering if it's worth your time and if it's legit or a scam. At the time of recording, yes, user testing is a legit site, but I wouldn't recommend using it if you are expecting a high payout. Pros and cons of user testing. Pros: transparent, user-friendly, and systematic process of work. Clear and well-defined guidelines regarding performing tests. Helpful tutorials before beginning with real tests. No money investments is required to become a tester on this platform. It does not ask for any legal documents or certificates for sign up. The payment varies from $3 to $60 depending upon the type and duration of the test. More opportunities for those who live close to the US. Cons: you don't receive email notifications for new tests. You always need to be logged in to your account and have a constant watch on your dashboard for any new tests. Disqualifying in screener is disappointing. For the tests that have screener, it is uncertain if you are going to qualify for the test or not. It is hard to qualify for the test, requires good skills in English and technology. If you don't have these, UserTesting.com is not for you. Lesser opportunities if you don't live close to the US. Not suggested as a regular work and income option. Their mobile version is quite slow and takes a significant time to load. When recording my reviews, I always like to take a look at what others think of the platform or services. On Trustpilot, user testing scores an average 4.6 out of 5. Positive reviews praise the excellent service and the fact that users get payments quickly. On the negative side, reviewers complain around the following: lack of customer support, not enough available tests, it takes too much effort. So to conclude this user testing review, the user can use the site to earn a few extra bucks or give it a try in the spare time, but do not rely on it to be a second or third source of income, because the amount of work you will receive is quite limited and it depends upon a lot of factors, like in which region you are situated, what is your quality rating, etc. However, if you are looking for quick cash or need a full-time income, this is not likely to be the right choice for you. Now you know exactly how to make money on user testing, but it's up to you to decide, are you gonna give this website a shot or not? Yeah, this is my honest review, so hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can leave a like on the video, that helps me out in YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much guys for watching, and bye bye.